Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your likes, your views, your comments on my last video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jane. To my existing subscribers, thank you for sticking by. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So guys, in today's video I will be taking you on a tour on one of the luxury hotels in Dubai. It's called SLS Hotel and Residency. As a matter of fact, I lived here for a couple of weeks and I was like, why not if I can give you a tour around this beautiful hotel. So guys, stay tuned to the end of this video because there's one brief information I'll be giving you about this particular hotel. That is if you are planning on traveling to Dubai. So watch this video to the very end to get that information. Enjoy the tour.
They say we're young, we can do it all again. Trapped in a cage, just to keep us safe. They say we're young, what a crazy way of life. To them it's black and white, it just doesn't feel right. You've worked so hard, you've come so far, but seems like all your dreams are fading away, fading away. They hold you down, you played your part, but everything you want is breaking away, breaking away. Walk on fire, driven by desire to be free. We go higher and higher until we find the air we need. So why don't you just how you feel when the walls are closing in and you're unhappy in your skin? Oh, the pain is so real. Tell me how you feel when your heart has turned to steel. You wear your anger as a shield, but it is your time to heal. Walk on fire, driven by desire to be free. We go higher and higher until we find the air we need. So why don't you just
So guys, the best part of staying here is the view of the city from the SLS residency. In the morning, you can literally see the sunrise and also the sunset in the evening. So guys, for the record, SLS Residency has the second highest swimming pool in the world. Like, this swimming pool you are seeing is the second highest so far. And I did not mention this part earlier on. This building has 75 floors and it has 371 residential apartments, and you have a lot of F&B offers and chef restaurants in here. I personally actually stayed in the one bedroom apartment for the period I was here, and I would rate them 10 over 10.
Maybe it's too soon, yeah, you know we just met. What I got to lose, gonna send the address. I don't like to wait, so you better not leave me on red. No, not tonight, cause I'm over with some friends and I'm over sending texts, and I need to feel you here tonight. And I know you're home alone, just staring at your phone, so just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Cause there's a room upstairs where nobody goes, and I'll be good, I swear. Just need you alone. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Are you staying in, or are you down to go out? If it gets too late, we'll go back to my house. Better get here fast, cause I really